Hey, good day everyone. Check out this cordless and rechargeable electric grill brush I have here. Well, here's everything that came in the box. Got a nice pair of safety gloves here. Good to wear these while you're doing your grill cleaning. It'll keep all the stuff from getting all over your hands, give you a better grip on the thing. Comes with a USB and Type-C connector too, which goes right in the end here for charging it up. Here's a look at the grill cleaner itself. So you just push this button and then press. No battery to take in or out. It's really great. You can just charge it up right with that Type-C connector. It says don't use it on a hot grill. And this metal piece up here and down here, you can use it to scrape off the stuff off your grates from your grill, the debris, you know, the buildup. And you can even get that edge down in there in between them too, so that's really nice. But it's got a little safety on there, so you can't push it until you push that button right there. There you go. Really user-friendly, super easy to use. Now this little piece right here is for changing out the brush. Right when you push that, it shows you how much battery juice you have left. Really nice little grill brush. Let's go put this thing to the test. Look at this nasty grill. I got just the fix right here. That's great. Then you can get down in here like this with it. Multi-use. This is great. If you grill a lot like us, you're going to want one of these. All right, overall, super happy with this thing. I'm going to use it a lot. Thanks for watching, everybody. Get you one of these.